Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for yet another video. I appreciate that and I appreciate you. So I just happened to come across this article here. It says it's coming in damn close. NASA is monitoring a huge asteroid hurtling towards Earth. NASA has confirmed it is monitoring the approach of a large celestial object that a top scientist warned is coming in damn close. Now here is the video here. I'm going to show you in a minute, but let's read this right here. An asteroid called 2012 TC4 is due to make a staggering close pass of Earth on October 12th. NASA Earth defense specialists are keenly monitoring the close approach of the asteroid, with fears it could pass as near as just 4,200 miles away. Now keep that is okay. It was feared that the asteroid could strike satellites orbiting the Earth, but scientists now believe it will be 5,000 miles out from the planet. But think about this. If your trajectory is that close to Earth, I think this one we really should definitely pay attention to a little bit. I know most of these, they're like thousands of, hundreds of thousands of miles out, and we think they're close. This literally 5,000, 4,200 miles, even a slight shift, right, in its path. I mean, like it. I don't know. I'm not going to say it could hit Earth, obviously, but this is super, super crazy close. 4,200 miles. But think about that. It's basically the distance. To me, that's just crazy. Well, here, let's take a look at this right here. It says NASA animation predicts the path of the asteroid flying past Earth. So let's see what this prediction shows. As you can see it coming in. Oh, I see. It's showing this is the path. Okay. So basically, it's supposed to come out about this far. Alright. I mean, I don't know. Like, I'd almost be worried a little bit, that this is one asteroid that, could possibly hit us. It says the farthest, and it goes on to say the farthest satellites are 36,000 kilometers or 22,400 miles out. So this is indeed a close miss. As close as it is right now, I think the prediction is pretty safe, meaning that it will miss. They think it's pretty safe. So I think I had never even heard about this. I didn't even know this was coming towards us. Now this is October 12th, so I'm just going to throw this out there. I just think everyone should be aware of this and keep a close eye on this, because you think about it, 4,200 miles, people. That's super, super close. If this thing shifts at all, there could be a possibility it would hit us, right? And I don't know exactly the destruction it would cause, and I don't think it is going to hit us, but come on, less than 5,000 miles from us, that's super close. It says this has not stopped YouTube doom mongers taking the internet with scare stories about the huge rock. It says YouTuber Igor Kryan said in a promotional blurb for a video on the asteroid, something huge from deep space coming to Earth and is coming closer than the distance between New York and Tokyo. So just picture that. That's how close this is going to be. On October 12th, New Yorkers will be closer to the object 2012 TC4 than to Tokyo. It will come thousands of times closer to Earth than feared Francesca mega asteroid. NASA has insisted, however, we have nothing to fear from the close flyby, which is as big as a tower block and traveling towards us at 40,000 miles an hour. Of course they're going to tell us that. Because here's the thing, even if they knew that this thing was going to hit us and people are going to disagree with me, they're not going to tell us. They're not. Because you know why? It would cause panic, and they don't want that. They would literally rather us take the direct hit than to warn us, because they're afraid that they would cause panic. Alright, so let's see. Amazing facts about asteroids. We don't really need to get into that. Okay, so it goes on to say it is believed to be bigger than the Shelbinsky, sorry, I know I pronounced that wrong, meteor, which explodes exploded over Russia, damaging thousands of buildings and injuring 1,500 people in 2013. NASA is convinced it will not impact, but say it will skim Earth at a distance of about 27,300 miles. But right up here, it just said, literally, it could pass as near. So see how wide of a range that is? Honestly, think about that. You got 27,000 miles, you got close as 4,200 miles. I mean, I don't know. I think we need to keep an eye on. I don't think it's going to hit us, but I mean, at one stage, it's saying at one stage it was feared to pass as close as 4,000 miles. So they keep changing. They don't really know. Let's just be honest. It's estimated to be between 10 and 30 meters, or 30 to 100 feet, and will pass by Earth on October 12th. So let's just keep an eye out on this, because if this thing does hit Earth, it's not the Armageddon type, if you will, asteroid, but at the same time, or meteor, but at the same time, it could do a lot of damage if it did hit. So I don't know. We're gonna have to see, because see, it even talks about how the Chelyabinsk meteor exploded in the atmosphere above the Russian city on February 15, 2013, and it says the asteroid released around 26 to 33 times as much energy of the atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima. So just even the smaller one was that powerful. So, and this thing's bigger. So I don't know. I'll keep an eye out on it. I'll definitely update you guys if I do get any more information. I just think it's something. I've just literally learned about this today, so I wanted to share it. I'm not going to be one of those doomsday people. Like, because obviously, if it did hit us, it wouldn't be a doomsday situation. It'd be a very destructive and devastating situation, obviously. But so I think we need to keep an eye on this, because if they were at one point thinking it was going to come as close as 4,200 miles, I mean that's super close. So, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for supporting this channel. Sorry. I appreciate that. I appreciate you. Peace.